Hey beauties, it's Nita, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new lipsticks I picked up from Juvias Place's new collection, the Nude lipstick collection. I picked up 5 lipsticks, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got, give you some swatches, so in case you haven't gotten anything or you're interested, I'll share with you what I got so you can kind of get a feel for what you may want to get. Also, I did do this eye look with their Warrior palette, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did that as well. So if you're interested, stay tuned to keep on watching. First, make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload when they go out. All right, let's do some makeup. All right, you guys, so I did go ahead and do a timestamp here. If you're just interested in the lipsticks, you can go ahead and fast forward to this time marker to see what lipsticks I got in the swatches. But if you want to do some makeup with me, go ahead and keep on watching. We're going to use the Warrior palette by Juvias Place to do my eyes today. I already did my foundation, and I will link everything that I used in the description box below. So let's go ahead and kick it and do some makeup. right, the eyes are done, the face is done, and now we're gonna get into the lipstick swatches. Okay, I got 4 of the lipsticks from the collection and 1 lip gloss. I got In Vogue, Lady, Toffee, and Cocoa. And then I got the lip gloss in Caramel Rose, and then I got the Corey lip liner. Okay. First, let's talk about this packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look at this. Like, it's so pretty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? So the first lipstick I'm applying is called In Vogue. All right, so we definitely look a little crazy right now. I like the color, but we definitely need a gloss, okay? So I'm gonna use the Corey lip liner that I picked up from them. Okay, Corey's not doing it. Actually, okay, these lipsticks are super duper creamy and pigmented, and so I should have put the liner on first if I was gonna do liner. So, all right, so I went ahead and took the lipstick off, reapplied with a liner, and this is what we're looking like. I like this a lot better. So if you're my complexion, you definitely want to keep in mind that this is a lipstick that you will wear with a liner. I really like this lipstick. It reminds me of an old lipstick that MAC had called Peach Stock. I think it was a limited edition lipstick, but I did love that, and that's what this lipstick reminds me of. It's like a peachy nude. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. So the next lipstick that I got is in the shade Lady. And I learned from the first time I'm going to apply with a light hand because these are super, super creamy. Okay, this one I can add a little bit more. Okay, this is definitely more of a flesh tone nude, whereas In Vogue is a peachy nude. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and apply the Corey lip liner. Also really like the lip liner. I've never used a lip liner from Juvias Place, and they are really creamy and it goes on really, really well. Like, you don't have to rub hard to get the liner to go on. Okay, I like this one. This to me is like an everyday nude. I'm a nude girl, and this is what I would wear on a daily basis. I love this one. So this is Lady. So the next lipstick is in the shade Toffee, and I was so excited to get this one. I have nothing like it, so I'm really interested to see how it looks. Wipe some of that extra lip chap off. Okay. Okay, this is Toffee. Honestly, I don't think I like this one for me. It's not ugly on me, but I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. Let me put on a lip liner and see if that makes a difference. Okay, like it better with the liner, but toffee is just not something that I would reach for. Yeah, I just wouldn't reach for it. Like I said, I don't dislike it. Like, I don't feel like it's ugly. I just don't like this shade for me. But I wanted to try it out. I don't have anything like it, but yeah, so this is toffee. I somehow deleted the footage of me trying on this lipstick, but this is my favorite, and it is Cocoa. Perfect for the fall. The most beautiful, gorgeous shade. I don't have anything like it. I love it, but this is Cocoa. Alright, you guys, so comment down below and let me know what you guys thought about what I picked up. Did you guys get anything from the collection? I'm a huge nude lipstick wearer for one, so I was excited to see this collection. And then also, I'm a huge fan of Juvia's Place. I have quite a few of their eyeshadow palettes, as well as I use their full coverage concealer. And I did use it today. I'll leave my shade and everything in the link down below. I'll link everything I use. But yeah, I really love Juvia's Place. Their eyeshadows are super pigmented, so it shouldn't have come as a surprise to me that their lipsticks are really pigmented, which I do like, as well as the fact, I think what I like the most is that the lipsticks are not drying. They are really hydrating and creamy. A little bit goes a long way, and I can really see the fact that you can apply this throughout the day and you don't have to put a lip gloss on top unless you just want a glow. But the formula itself is really creamy and hydrating, and I really like that about it. So comment down below and let me know if you guys picked up anything from the collection, and if you guys have tried Juvia's Place. If not, you should definitely check them out. Not only are they a black owned brand, their products are really good, y'all. So you can find them at your local Ulta, or of course the Juvia's Place website. I have everything that I got linked down below, so definitely check out the collection and let me know what you guys think. So I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.